Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask Literature, your go-to channel for all things literary. If you love diving deep into the world of books and ideas, you're in the right place. Today, we're unpacking a fascinating topic that has shaped not only literature but also our understanding of the human experience, realism. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's get started. Now, when we talk about realism, we're not just referring to a specific literary style, we're talking about a whole movement that emerged in the mid-19th century. Realism sought to portray life as it truly is, stripping away the romanticized ideals and fanciful elements that often filled earlier works. Think of it as a mirror held up to society, one that reflects the gritty, unvarnished truth. At its core, realism was a response to the romantic movement that preceded it. While romantics celebrated emotion, nature, and individualism, realists focused on everyday life and the mundane experiences of ordinary people. They were particularly interested in social issues, class struggles, gender roles, and the stark realities of urban life. One of the hallmark figures of the realist movement is Gustave Flaubert, whose novel Madame Bovary offers a compelling exploration of a woman trapped in a life of mediocrity and longing. Flaubert's meticulous attention to detail and his ability to convey the inner turmoil of his characters invite readers to reflect on the complexities of their own lives. It's not just a story about Emma Bovary, it's a critique of the societal norms that confine her. Another key player in the realism movement was Leo Tolstoy. His monumental work, Anna Karenina, dives deep into the lives of individuals grappling with love, betrayal, and societal expectations. Tolstoy's genius lies in his ability to blend the personal with the political, revealing how individual choices are often shaped by larger societal forces. It's a perfect example of how realism transcends mere representation, allowing for profound social commentary. But realism didn't just stop at novels, it seeped into other art forms as well. In painting, for instance, we see artists like Gustave Flaubert capturing the lives of everyday people, farmers, laborers, and the working class. His works serve as a powerful reminder that beauty can be found in the most ordinary scenes, urging society to acknowledge the struggles of the common man. As we look further into the realism movement, we also encounter the American realists such as Mark Twain and Henry James. Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn not only tells a compelling story but also confronts issues of race and morality in America. Through the eyes of Huck, readers navigate the complexities of society, making it a cornerstone of American literature. Now let's talk about the characteristics that define realism. One of the most notable features is the use of detailed settings. Realist authors spend time meticulously describing the environments in which their characters lived, from the bustling streets of Paris to the quiet, oppressive farms of rural America. These descriptions serve as more than just backdrops, they become integral to understanding the characters' struggles. Another important aspect is the focus on character development. Realist literature often presents complex characters facing moral dilemmas, making choices that reflect their social circumstances. These aren't just heroes or villains, they're flawed human beings. Much like you and me, this depth invites readers to empathize and connect with the characters on a personal level. It's essential to recognize that realism didn't exist in a vacuum. It was influenced by significant historical events, such as the Industrial Revolution, which brought about rapid social change. Urbanization led to new challenges, and writers felt compelled to address the realities of their time. They were chroniclers of their societies, highlighting the disparities between classes and the impact of economic upheaval. As we approached the late 19th and early 20th centuries, realism began to evolve, giving way to movements like naturalism, which took a more deterministic view of human behavior. Writers such as Émile Zola explored how environment and heredity shape individuals, often emphasizing the darker aspects of life. This shift reflects an ongoing dialogue within literature. How do we depict reality, and what influences the choices we make? In conclusion, realism remains a powerful lens through which we can examine our world. It teaches us that literature is not merely an escape but a reflection of our realities filled with complexities and contradictions. As we continue to read and engage with these works, we gain insights into the human experience, fostering empathy and understanding in our own lives. Thanks for joining me on this literary journey today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future explorations into the world of literature. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite realist novel? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep reading and questioning the world around you.